Please have the manual in hand while viewing this video. Using the operator panel. The page is divided into 4 sections. The top part is reserved for viewing general machine status. The left part is reserved for buttons used to access the various software functions. The bottom shows the last alarm active in the system. The middle shows the various synoptics to represent system status. Main page. The main page shows a summary of the system status. Local plus manual cast. The cast length set point and the current position of the platform are displayed in this section. Pilot cast. The cast length set point and the current position of the platform, the theoretical lowering length of the furnace, and the casting recipe currently in the memory are displayed in this section. The furnace PID regulation status is displayed in this section. The furnace PID regulation time trend is displayed in this section. This section shows DAM status, DAM laser level, DAM management status. The general calibration request sent by the PLC is shown in the initial automatic cast phases. The individual slab actuator status is displayed in this section. The individual slab regulation time trend is displayed in this section. Service. Service page to recall. Input-output PLC. This page is helpful for level diagnostics of the electrical system status used by electrical maintenance technicians. DAM. DAM status is displayed. Configuration laser. 2 types of laser calibrations can be controlled from this page. Correct laser mounting with respect to the equipment. Correct positioning of the slabs inside the equipment to specify the cast start quote. Physical laser mounting position calibration. To check the correct operation, switch on the laser using the on button. Position the calibration bar under the laser beam. Wait for the minimum time for the laser to switch on, about 3 seconds. The laser raw reading is displayed in this situation. Press the Set Cal button. The actual raw reading is used as the calibration position, replacing it with the previous one and resetting the control time for the next calibration. Note, the calibration position is accepted if the instant raw value is in a tolerance window specified during installation, different for the 2 pieces of equipment. Status, laser plus DAM. The details of the digital and analog input-output regarding the lasers and the DAM are displayed on this page. Actuators. The details of the digital and analog input-output regarding the actuators are displayed on this page. Users. The panel users are displayed, edited, deleted on this page. Synoptic. The distribution launder is represented graphically on this page with some significant measurements. Recipe. Filling recipes are managed on this page and on the following page. From this page you can 1. Load the recipe, 2. Save edits to the recipe in use, 3. Delete the specified recipe. The effective parameters of the filling curve are set on the second page. Cast description. The Almec PLC requests furnace tilting, activating the fast request until the level of the metal detected by the laser near the furnace reaches the X position, which can be set from the HMI panel. When the level of metal arrives at the specified position, the fast tilting request stops and the furnace regulation PID activates to keep the level of metal constant in the launder. The metal passes through the degazer and the filter and arrives at the dam positioned before the launder. The level of metal is detected by the launder laser. The metal fills the launder and dam opening is requested when the level exceeds the opening position. During the first moments of the cast, the system performs various safety checks. For example, it checks that the metal arrives in all the selected slabs for casting within X seconds from dam opening. If the safety conditions are met, the cast is activated. Metal is awaited in the slabs. Reading of X millimeters on one of the lasers active in the cast. Step 1 is activated, commanding the filling PID, proportional integral derivative. Once time T1 is completed, Step 2 activates for a duration of T2 seconds, editing the PID set and activating the warning control. Once time T2 is completed, Step 3 activates for a duration of T3 seconds, editing the PID set and activating the abort and warning control. During the duration of Step 2 and Step 3, when one of the lasers reads the platform start quote, regulated down start is requested, sending the corresponding signal to the panel. Filling continues, passing from Step 3 to Step 7 using the times indicated. The stable cast phase is begun at the end of Step 7 and filling is completed. A level correction is performed if necessary with a ramp based on the position of the platform. The system awaits that the length of the platform be greater than the furnace stop quote, calculated by subtracting a value from the cast set point position, measured based on the number of slabs used and the geometry of the slabs themselves. Once the preset position is reached, furnace descent is commanded, sending the corresponding signal to the panel. Consumption of the metal present in the launder is awaited. As the metal falls into the launder, the filling PIDs tend to open the actuators wide. When the metal is almost finished, the level in the slabs decreases. Once the threshold has been reached, the regulated down request stops, the platform stops, and the cast, from the point of view of the ALMEC board, is considered closed. Final cooling will activate on the control panel to effectively close the cast. Control panel. The digital exchange signals between the control panel and the ALMEC panel are displayed on this page. The analog exchange signals between the control panel and the ALMEC panel are displayed on this page. Cast condition, manual cast. The conditions necessary for starting a manual cast are displayed on this page. If the conditions required by the system are satisfactory, manual start to casting is activated. Cast condition, automatic cast. The conditions necessary for starting an automatic cast are displayed on this page. Cast condition, automatic cast. This page shows the active alarms. Recipe in use. This page shows the recipe in use loaded in the PLC memory. Main page signals. Normal furnace lifting PID operation. Signaling of instant low furnace laser level, which causes abort cast if not corrected. Signaling of instant low furnace laser level, which causes regulation PID stop if not corrected. Signaling of instant high furnace laser level, which causes abort cast if not corrected. Signaling of instant high furnace laser level, which causes regulation PID stop if not corrected. Regular dam laser level. Signaling of instant low dam laser level, which causes abort cast if not corrected. Slab level regulation PID regular. Signaling of instant high dam laser level, which causes abort cast if not corrected. Signaling of instant low slab laser level, which causes abort cast if not corrected. Signaling of excessive difference between the actuator command and the feedback reading. Signaling of instant high slab laser level, which causes abort cast if not corrected. Abort cast. During the cast, the alarm status of the system and all emergency situations that may compromise machine functionality or endanger personnel are monitored. Please see manual for abort warning and sequence.